Hi and welcome to Miss Kate Cuttables 1 Minute Make. Today we are putting together a school SVG. It is a box of crayons that's so happy to be going back to school. Now I started with these crayons to get these out of the way. I designed them with 3 layers. You don't have to use all 3, it's up to you. So I didn't have time for a print and cut today, so I'm going to just put the picture of the SVG from the website up. The font that's up there on the bubble is called the Miss Penny font. It is from MissKateCuttables.com. You can also find it on the Silhouette store in case you want to use it for more projects. So the reason why you have the black piece that goes behind the yellow part is so that you guys don't have to cut out the eyes and mouths. It's so much easier to cut and put it together when it's like that. So that's the reason why I design all my SVGs this way. So we're adding the green corners to this crayon box. And then I am going to line up the crayons to make sure that they fit in the box, which they fit perfectly. So you can, choose whatever colors you want to go in which direction. So I already glued the school or the back to school to the bubble just to save some time. So I hope you guys like this SVG. I'm going to be adding more school SVGs this coming week, more school supplies that are happy to be going back to school. If there are any certain supplies you want to see, put that in the comment box below. So make sure you subscribe to the Miss Kate Cuttables YouTube channel, hit the like button, ring the notification bell, and I will see you on the next 1 Minute Make. Thanks for watching.